Alright, good morning guys. It's Saturday morning at 10:30 in Ubud Bali. Usually when we come here making videos, we come like late afternoon or by night. And today I decided, okay, I wanna come at morning and you can know what you can expect from Ubud at morning, just after breakfast time, or maybe still breakfast for some of you who wake up late. Why not? I'm currently in the central area of Jalan Monkey Forest or Monkey Forest Street, just at the front of this Lihat bar or whatever where we filmed last time by night when it was actually so busy. Of course, I think Ubud at morning and Ubud by night looks totally different. They are two different vibes. Definitely it's very cozy and very quiet by morning, at morning. Also, as you can see, the sky is a little bit gray. Many people asking what's going on with the weather. It shouldn't be a very beautiful sunny day or something like that. It's supposed to be, but it's not. It's the rainy season in Asia in general, and in Bali it's supposed to be a dry season, but seems like a climate is changed and everything is changing with it. It's not really like it used to be in the past years. So overall, looks like this one. Also some some tourists walking around by morning. Is checking checkout time. Actually, checkout time. This is the Adiwana Monkey Forest, and some other restaurants making like a refurbishments waiting for you. Cafe Wayan, how it was quiet it is. Another restaurant, Chinta something, is under the refurbishment. Tour guides, drivers waiting for you. Maybe you are interested, you can catch them. And currently I'm heading to area of Ubud Art Market, the central Ubud. There's a nice car behind me. Just met some lovely couple who say, "Good morning, Damian." That's so nice. Thank you so much for saying hi. And also from my personal experience and observation, I just realized as the, Ubud at morning, right now, it's very, very similar to Sanur at morning actually. Very similar vibe and atmosphere and conditions. Actually, I think Sanur is a little bit busier at morning than Ubud. Either way, this is the situation of Jalan Monkey Forest, and somewhere, I don't know where, I can hear some Balinese prayer, gamelan. I have no idea where. This is the Banjar temple or Banjar office, Kelon, but seems closed. Here actually you can hear maybe more deep. It's somewhere there closed, I cannot get inside. However, I just realized as there was the music festival in Sanur 2 or 3 weeks ago, last time in Nusa Dua, and now in this weekend it's gonna be here in Ubud on the stadium where the people usually they're playing the football or something like that. So if you are interested, you are in Bali, you can have a look this afternoon or tomorrow. Or the Museum Festival was last night, because I can see already so many rubbish everywhere, so maybe I'm not gonna show too much because later some people will say I'm putting bad image to, I'm just realistic. Either way, this is already the more central part of Jalan Monkey Forest, very close to the center. So overall, this is the more busier part of Jalan Monkey Forest, very close to the center. There at the end is the King Palace and the main junction. And it seems like actually this part of Ubud is the most busier even at morning, because, well, everywhere you can see already international, overall tourists walking, passing by, looking for something. It's actually already almost 11, so I think everybody already had a breakfast, or they should have it. So that's how does it look like, overall situation. Have to walk on the street because the footpath is just simply too small for every one of us. Which is, I think, good or bad. Actually bad, but good as it's busy. So I'm gonna change the lens, gonna show you what you can find in the shops everywhere around. Over here there are some tourists making pictures right now. The guy hides his face. Not everybody wants to be on the camera, obviously, right? And oh, this small street is getting much busier right now next to... Wow, this bus scares me. Hello.
Hi.
And yeah, that's how does it look like. Mornings in Ubud. This is also very interesting how the footpath it's taken by the construction of the new market. This is the pictures they put how it can possibly look like, and also the main entrance coming soon. It's gonna look something like this one, guys. I cannot make a better shot because so many cars driving, but this is how the market gonna look like in the corner. I read some comments last time, as many of you guys are excited about the brand new market here in Ubud and in Kucha as well, because they are building two at the same time. For me, I have big hope, as at the same time as there will be the new brand new market, they also gonna make at least 1 or 2 story underground parking for the cars, because the big parking here in the center is very important and very needed, guys. I hope so really gonna happen. Meanwhile, this is the Ubud center, and it's kind of busy, I could say, if you are talking about the little you know, like update style. However, afternoon, if you're gonna come here 4, 5, 6 p.m, it's really busy. It's not that busy at morning. So if you are looking to come to Ubud and you don't wanna stuck in the traffic how we used to stuck last time, come at morning before 12 o'clock. Definitely gonna enjoy peacefully. But also at the same time, all the performances like local Balinese dances and other entertainment, it's after 5, 6 p.m. Also realize that morning in Ubud, of course, you can find so many local people driving with the small kids because the school is finished already, but also a lot of young international parents with small kids coming to Ubud. Seems like they feel very safe and very comfortable. Also, guys, keep it in mind, if it's not really beautiful weather because it's cloudy or maybe rainy like this, that's also good, because you know, all the beautiful plants, greenery, fruits, veg, rice, it's growing very beautiful. That's very important as well. But another thing, what is actually very good for you as well when you are walking on the streets of Ubud or any other parts of Bali, it's not as that super extremely hot when it's beautiful blue sky and it's so sunny. It's actually very enjoyable for me right now to walking here, even it's almost 11:30 at morning, rather than was super hot, like yesterday, for instance, in Kuta. Actually, no, in Kuta was nice, but last time in Sanur.